Can you cook something up for Mommy? What's it doing?
Mommy and Daddy got Brayden his very own kitchen for Christmas.
So do you need to wash some dishes? Should we wash some dishes?
And he just opened it this morning.
Say, open.
And he loves it.
What dishes need to be washed? Yes, that had macaroni and cheese.
He's washing dishes right now. Oh, it's done.
What else, B? Oh, okay. We forgot the lid. So can you cook something in the microwave, Brayden? Where's the microwave? What's in the microwave, Brayden?
Show us the stove. The stove lights up. Yeah. And look.
Ooh, that's so fun.
Hey, Brayden. Do you like your kitchen? Are you going to cook Mommy and Daddy some food?
There's the microwave. See what's inside. Can you reach it? I'm a little too short.
There you go. Put that on the stove and cook up some breakfast.
Say eggs and bacon, please.
Well, as you can tell, he's busy. Washing more dishes.
Wow, we have lots of dirty dishes. What are you cooking? Are you dancing to the cooking? Can you dance?
A cup?
A cup on your nose.